Okay, now we do part C, all right? It says we have CH3, CH2, and H. Now, CH3, CH2, two of them connected to an NH. Now, remember that structural formula tells you connectivity as well. So this N is connected to these two guys. That's why they are coming to it straight. Okay, so these two guys are coming here to N, and we know that nitrogen can have 3 bonds. Oxygen 2, nitrogen 3, carbon 4. So nitrogen can have 3. So it's going to have 2 bonds with these guys, then this one bond with the hydrogen. So let's put it. So it's going to be my nitrogen like this, straight, straight, straight. This is going to be air. We can put a hydrogen here, and we can put CH3CH2, okay, which we can put like a carbon. We can put of course it starts with the CH2, then goes to the CH3 because the CH3 is at the end, so it's going to be like this. Then there's a carbon here and a carbon there. This is a CH2. Then at the end, obviously, now you have a CH3, which is H, H, H. Okay? And this is what you'll be having. And this is what this guy is. Now let's put him in our bond line formula. In our bond line formula, we can say we have C, then C, we put the two C's, which is 1, 2, then here we'll connect an N. Okay? Or we can first start by putting the N, then we put one carbon here, then the other one like that. Then we put one carbon here, then the other one like that. Okay? This is what you can have. Or if you want, you can put the N, then you can have a carbon going up, a carbon coming down like this, then another carbon, then this is what it is. Okay? You can have it like this again. This looks nicer, so I'm going to have it like this. There's one carbon here, there's 2, and then there's the N. Then there's 1, there's 2, then there's the N. So that is what you have. And this is going to be your bond line formula. How good is this? This is beautiful, right? Remember, on bond line, you don't put hydrogens, right? Okay. But then if you have something like a nitrogen or an oxygen or something on your bond line, you should always be able to put the H. So we can come here and then put our H like this. And I guess this is going to be the correct thing. Or you could put the NH, whatever, but you can have it like this. And now you have your bonds because we don't put hydrogens. We don't, but when the hydrogen is connected to something which is not a carbon, then you must put it, okay? Because we can't assume it's there. We only assume it's there for the carbons. For here, you have to put it, and this is going to be a bond line, and you'd be done, all right? All right, now we do the next question. Let's do it part D now. And it's going to be, you have a CH3, CH2, S, CH2, CH2, and the CH3. This is not even hard, is it? So it's like I have the S's here, then I have a C, a C, a C. Then this side is a C and a C. So what is it going to be? CH2, CH3. Like this. Then connected to an S, okay? And then the CH2, CH2, then a CH3. Okay? How do I know it's connected by single bonds? Because I can't have a CH2 if there was a double bond. If carbon makes it double bond, it then becomes a CH. Okay? It can be a CH2. So the moment I see CH2, I know it's a single bond to the carbon. Okay? That is what it is. Now, let's finish it up. Now here we have the displayed formula, which is the structural formula they wanted. Now the last thing we have to do is to put the bond line formula. So let's put it. We'll be having an S. Then we can put the things, so it's going to be like this. Like this, we can put 1, 2, and 3. Then here we can put 1 and 2. Then this is going to be what it looks like, okay? There we have it. This is 1, 2, 3 carbons, which is okay. This is 1 and 2 carbons on the left. And you are done. This is the bond line formula. Look at how easy it is. A walk in the park. Very, very easy. We'll do part E and F in the next video. Goodbye for now.